Come test drive the 2018 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.